In this video, we will learn how you can install the SQL Server 2019 full version. It's not the Express Edition installation, it's the full version installation. And it should be a pretty straightforward video. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So guys, I hope you have already downloaded this SQL 2019 software. If not, you can check out the link I have provided in the description. You can get it from there. And after downloading that, just right click here, click on open and click yes. Now on the screen, we will just go to the installation and select the new SQL Server standalone installation right here, the first option. Just choose that. Now the key is already entered, click next. I accept the license terms, click next and click next, then click next. If it asks you for the update, you can update as well. Now here, you don't need to install each and everything. What you can do is just choose what is required for you. So in my case, I want to configure and run SAP on it. So we will be using some options only. So for example, database engine services, I'll be using that. Now let's scroll down and I'll be using this full text option, the data quality services option. Let's scroll down and find out, let's say analysis services, I want that. And the most important one is in the shared features. You can just turn this one on, which says integration services. And also we need to enable, and also if you can see this master data services here, you can also install that. And let's click on next. Now here it's set to default instance, but I'll change it to named instance so that I can easily identify my instance. So right here, I will write here SQL 2019 so that I can identify that. Now the name instance only need to be done if you have multiple SQL servers installed on the same Windows. Otherwise you can keep it default instance as well. Now let's click next. Now these are some of the default options that are selected. Click next. Now here we will just choose the mix mode, and right here the password, I'll keep the password simple 1234 1234 and click on add current user. It will take some time to add. And here is my user, click next. Now for the analysis services in the server mode, it's asking you to add the user again. We'll just click on add current user, and here we will keep the server mode as it is. Click next. And now before installing, it's showing the summary of all the options that you have selected. So let's continue and install the software. Click on install. And then it started the installation. Now depending on the system speed, it can take you some time. So just sit back and relax while it installs the software. And I'll show you the further process after the installation is done. Alright, now that the installation is done, you can see the status report and make sure that the status is all succeeded. So if yes, congratulations, you have successfully installed SQL Server 2019 full edition. So let's click on close here, and this is how you can install it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.